Good morning, students. Again, I am at your service with a small topic, Oxymoron. Why am I making video on this simple literary device? I am telling you because I have found that some students say oxymoron is a poetic device in which two opposite words are placed side by side. To some extent, they are right, but they are not absolutely right. When they say two opposite words are placed side by side, but which type of two words? Both will be nouns or both will be adjectives. What? This thing they don't know. Only they know opposite words. Because almost in all books we find that oxymoron is a poetic device in which two opposite words are placed side by side. But I am trying to clear your doubts. These two opposite words are there, but they are the combination of especially adjective and a noun. If we take one example from Rabindranath Tagore's book, in Song Offering, he has used this oxymoron, saying that cruel mercy. So what we find? Cruel and mercy both are opposite in sense, in meaning. But if we glance it, if we heed to it, if we pay our attention to this, then we find that the first term is an adjective and the second one is noun. Listen once again. Cruel mercy. Rabindranath Tagore has written cruel mercy. So the first word, cruel, is adjective and mercy is noun. Likewise, another example we can quote, we can give aching joy. Aching, A-C-H-I-N-G, aching and joy, aching joy. So first word is adjective and second is noun. This is the